Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and this is episode 2nd of discord.js bot development. In previous video we discussed about how to get the bot online and some basics about discord.js, and in this video we will talk about how to make a simple ping pong or hi hello command in discord bot to understand how the message content in discord.js works. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to get back to your code editor, and in the workspace which you had opened last time in last video, this is what we did in the last video. And now we will create a new event, client.on, and the event name is message create. This means whenever a message is created, the bot will trigger this code, the code inside these braces. This will be triggered. So first we will try to log the message what was sent, console.log, and here in the bracket we need to use a variable which will store the details that the event triggers. So let me just make it message. This message will include the object of the message that was sent in the Discord channel, console.log message. Let's just try with this first. Now node index.js. Our bot is online. Now let's try sending something here and check the console. Nothing is here. Why? Because the bot doesn't have the permission to check the messages of the channel. Our bot is online and it is able to read the messages, but it cannot fetch the messages. For that we need to add more intents here. The first one is discord.intent bitfill.flags.guild messages. Guild messages. Now to restart the bot, just press Ctrl+C. It will terminate the ongoing session of the bot. And now once again type node index.js. Bot is online. Let's try sending again. Hello. And here we have the object of message. You can see the message, channel ID, guild ID, the message ID, but the content is empty. Why? Because in the previous video I told you about the message content intent. So we need to enable this in the Discord developers portal in the bot section of your application. Enable this message content intent and save changes. After you have saved the change, get back to the code, and here once again add another intent, discord.intent bitfill.flags.message content. This will check if we have the message content intent enabled or not. If not, then it will let the bot, that is our client, fetch the message content as well. Now let's restart the bot. Bot is online. Now let's type something. Hello. Now if we check here the content for the message, it has a content. Now we have received the content as well. So now we can start making a normal prefix command. Let me just remove this. I'll use a if statement. If message dot content, the content of the message is equals to hi. If the content of the message is high, then message dot reply hello. Whereas if the content of the message is higher the message that the user has sent in the channel, then the bot will reply with hello. Now let's try running it. Bot is online. Hi, hello. Here you can see I just typed hi and it's replied with hello. But if I'll type hello, then it will not say anything because we have not described or declared any function where it says that if we are typing hello then it needs to reply. And also if I use capital H and I, hi, then as well it will not reply. It will only reply if I'm typing hi, that is completely in small letters. So to fix this, we can just do this. The content that the user has sent, we can convert it into to lowercase. It is a function which makes the string that we are using into lowercase. So if the message that the user has sent converted into lowercase is equals to hi, then it will reply with hello. Let's restart. Hi, hello, and if I'm typing hi, then again it will reply with hello. And hi, see, it's working well. So this is how basically the content reading and command making works in Discord.js. And if you want to use prefix, we can just add an exclamation mark here and restart the bot. Now if I type hi, it will not work, but if I type hi, then it will reply. The actual commands are not this simple. It is just the basic structure of how the message content works or how commands usually can be made. We will do more complex programming in further videos. So that's it for today. We'll continue in our next video. Thank you for watching, and do let me know if you find anything difficult to understand or if you have any suggestions for the video. I'm open to hear them all as I'm new to this YouTube video creations. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.